Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto with PayPal on Binance. As all of you know, PayPal is an online payment system that makes paying for things online and sending and receiving money safe. When you link your bank account, credit card or debit card to your PayPal account, you can use it to make purchases online. Now make sure that PayPal is available in your region. After you cross-checking it, proceed to the next steps. If I open my internet browser and search for buy crypto with PayPal on Binance, you can see that an article has appeared. So the first thing you need to do is head to the buy crypto section inside Binance. After that, select P2P trading from the trading menu and choose fiat. Now, in the payment method, select PayPal and then select the preferred crypto. Once selected, proceed with the transaction and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.